Understanding behind in the count, a deep dive. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're exploring an interesting phrase that often puzzles English language learners: behind in the count. This expression, rooted in the world of sports, especially baseball, has transcended its original context to be used in various aspects of daily life. If you're curious to know what it means and how to use it, you're in the right place. The phrase, behind in the count, originates from baseball, a sport beloved by many and an integral part of American culture. In baseball, a count refers to the number of balls and strikes a batter has against them. A batter is considered behind in the count when they have more strikes than balls. For example, if the pitcher has thrown 2 strikes and no balls, the batter is behind in the count. When someone is behind in the count, it means they are at a disadvantage or in a less favorable position. In baseball, this implies the batter has fewer chances of getting a hit since they are closer to striking out. However, outside of sports, this phrase metaphorically signifies that someone is lagging, facing difficulties, or not meeting expectations in any situation. Let's explore how this phrase is used beyond the baseball diamond. 1. Workplace. If a project manager says, "We're behind in the count on this project," it means the team is behind schedule or not meeting project milestones as planned. 2. Education. A student may feel behind in the count if they haven't kept up with their studies or assignments, indicating they are at a disadvantage compared to their peers. 3. Personal goals. Someone trying to learn a new skill or habit might feel behind in the count if they're not progressing as fast as they hoped. Using behind in the count in conversation is straightforward. It's best used to describe situations where there's a clear standard or expectation, and someone is not meeting it. Here's a simple structure for using this phrase. In sports, with 2 strikes and no balls, the batter is really behind in the count now. In everyday situations, I haven't started my essay yet, so I'm a bit behind in the count compared to everyone else. Behind in the count is a versatile phrase that adds a sporty flair to expressing challenges or disadvantages. Whether you're a baseball fan or not, incorporating this expression into your English vocabulary can help you describe situations with a pinch of creativity and clarity. We hope this video has shed some light on this fascinating phrase. Keep exploring the nuances of the English language, and remember, even if you're behind in the count, there's always a chance to turn the game around.